welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to discuss about a very highly paying online job which is called website testing. There is all the companies are having their own websites, right? So website testing means you are actually going to test these websites designed by these big companies, okay? So you will be acting just like a user who is going to use their website, and you will be using it, and you will be giving your feedbacks about how user friendly these websites are. So why these companies are actually designing the websites? The companies design the website for users, right? Mainly for users, in order to make the users uh, gain more knowledge about them, to create an account in the website. So it should be user friendly. So the website should be user friendly, right? So a website tester is a person who is actually going to test the user friendliness of a website. Okay, so you can give it as a definition like that. Now, in today's video, we are going to actually see about a site which is called user testing. So what this user testing is actually doing is they hire persons like us and they make us do the job of website testing. Okay, this is actually a very highly paying job. If you work dedicatedly in this site, you can actually earn up to 3,000 or plus within 1 hour. Okay, this is actually highly paying job because the clients of this site, if you see, just scroll down, you can see this the clients. There is Walmart, which is actually a very big online selling platform. Then Capital One is there, Microsoft, AllTrail, Domino's, Grammarly. So these are the clients. These are big companies, and these big companies give their websites to user testing, so that the user testing will be testing these websites. Okay, so let us move on to the details of the video. Before that, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel, support the channel. Also follow us on our Instagram page. Now, in order to do the job of website testing, what you have to do is you have to actually create an account. First, you have to actually register here, and then you have to pass a test. Test means you will be actually given a dummy website, and you have to test the dummy website. I'll be telling you the details of the test and everything. Before that, let's see how to do the job of website testing. What is the procedure? Okay. First, you have to click on this login icon. Just click on it. Now it is getting redirected. You can see there is a login, there is sign up, there is get paid to test. So you will be getting a payment to test the website. That is the meaning. Okay. Now click on it. You can see a field like this. There is you have to give your mail ID here. Just click on this checkbox and get started. Okay. So when you give your mail ID, a mail will be sent to your mail ID, and then the mail will look like this, and you have to click on this complete your application. Okay. So when you click on this complete your application, it is actually taking you to the details of the test. Okay. Then when you click on this icon, you will be seeing test participant example. So this is actually a video which is actually showing what is the procedure of website testing, and it is actually giving you a demo of the test which you are going to attend. Okay, so you can watch this video, and then you can just skip. Okay, next is actually a video about what is actually this test. Okay, so first we have seen a video on user testing company and all. Then next is actually a test of, there is a video of the test which you are going to attend. Okay, so I would suggest you to watch this video. Here you will be getting a clear idea about how you have to attend this test. Okay, so just click on this start test after watching the video. Okay, so to take the practice test, what you have to do is you have to screen record, or you have to share your screen. Also, you have to turn on the microphone. Okay, so just click on the set permissions. Now, when you click on it, you will be you will be given the options. You have to share your screen. Okay, so what you are actually doing here is you are going to, I'm just cancelling this. Okay, so what you're actually doing here is you are going to show the demo of how you are using using the website. Okay, so when you are consider that you are going to use Amazon. Okay, so you are going to demonstrate how you are actually using Amazon website. Also, you will be asked some questions regarding just check the website and see whether that is where the logout icon is, or check for the contact list, that is your contact list or the contact in the website, or just check whether where you can find the card details or the wallet details. So these type of questions will be asked you. So you have to just check the website. So a demo website will be actually given to you, and by seeing the website you have to find out where these things are present. There is it can be some contact details, or it can be some logout icon, or these type of things you have to check and find out where it is present in the website. Okay, so while you are actually doing this process of searching for the logout icon, or just searching the contact list, so you'll be thinking like, oh, where it is. So you have to actually speak. Okay, so while you are doing the process of thinking, you have to speak. So you have to speak through the microphone. You have to speak like, let me check, let me look for the contact list, let me see where the wallet is present, let me see where the contact or where the logout icon is present. I think it is here. I'm going to click on it. I think it is there. So just like this, consider that you are going to talk to your friend. Okay, so like that you have to speak through the microphone. Okay, so when you are doing the testing, you have to move your mouse and you have to search. Also, you have to speak. Okay, so that is how you actually do the website testing. Okay, so for that, just set the permissions and then also turn on your microphone. Okay, see, now I am sharing my screen. So the reviewer who is going to review my test uh, can see the details of my screen. That is what all things I'm doing in the website, how I am testing the website, everything I'm sharing the screen. Okay, so this is actually a screen recorder which is now running. Okay, also you have to turn on the microphone. So I have turned on the microphone. Consider that you are not at all comfortable with the website. You can give your honest feedbacks, like I'm not at all comfortable with this website. This website is very confusing. I cannot find any details, or I cannot find the logout icon. I cannot find these things. These things or these opinions or your feedbacks you can give honestly. Okay, this is just like, you are given an item, you have to test it. If it is not working properly, you can say, that is frankly, you can say it is not working properly, it is confusing. Okay, so this is the test which you have to pass. Okay, now I'm going to give you some tips about how to pass this test. Okay, now in order to pass the test, you have to actually keep in mind some things. The first thing is that while you are giving the test, you should be sitting in a quiet atmosphere. Okay, then the second thing is you have to adopt your mindset. Adopt your mindset means you have to actually think that you are really, that is, you are a user and you are really using that site. And if you are finding any troubles in using the site, if it is not user friendly, honestly you can say that this site is not user friendly. I'm not comfortable using this website. You can say it. Okay, now the third thing is, if some scenario is given to you, then you have to complete that scenario and give your honest feedbacks. Then the fourth thing is you have to speak your thought. Means while you are using the website, you have to actually speak. Okay, you have to speak through the microphone. That is, I'm going to look for this, I'm not finding this, it is very easily found, or this website is very comfortable using with. So these type of things you can actually speak through your microphone. So you have to speak. Okay, then the last thing is, if you are having any questions or if you are having any comments regarding the website which is being given to you for testing, you can honestly say them. If you are having some questions, consider that you are not understanding what is the purpose of this icon kept in that place. Okay, consider that there is an icon kept on one place and you are not finding the use of it. Okay, you can honestly ask, what is this icon, why is it kept here? Okay, just like this you can give. Also that is, you can say, also you can say the comments about the website honestly. Okay, so these things you have to keep in mind. So So this is actually a very good job. This is actually a very good earning platform, which is called website testing. If you are not familiar with it, try to gather some information about this. It's a very simple job. You don't have to do a lot of effort or hard work. Just comfortably, you have to use a website and you have to give your feedbacks about the website. Okay. So now talking about the payment options, here the payment is through PayPal, and minimum $10 you will be given for the test. Okay, for every test you are attending, minimum you will be getting $10. Okay, so that's about the payment. Now, if you are interested, you can also do this job from your phone also, but in order to give the qualifying test, which we have just seen now, for that test, if you have to give, you have to use a laptop or a desktop. Okay, so that is required, but the job you can do from your phone also. Okay, so if you found the informations useful, please do like the video, share the video, and please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.